So to manage the link between the consent module and solicit codes, you would go to the configuration and database view, business rules, consent options, and then you'd have your email, phone, and mail. So for instance, if I click on the email, you can see that I've set this mapping so that for the email channel in the consent module, if the person opts out, I'm going to assign the solicit code do not email. And the person opts in, I'm going to remove the solicit code do not email. And you can see like at the same time I can remove a solicit code. Like let's say I have the accept email, I can remove that one, but I don't have one here. It's not the way this database manages. So it just has a do not email, which we'll add, and then a do not email, which we'll remove if they opt in. And if there's no response, well, we do nothing, right? So that's how that would look. And if I go to phone, for example, I can start managing this one. If the person opts out of the phone, so I want to assign do not phone. If the person opts in to phone, then I would want to remove do not phone. Yeah. And so this is the way I want it to work. So opt out, assign, opt in, remove. Okay. Now let's edit the consent for phone. I've opted into phone. And so that means that I shouldn't have a solicit code for do not phone. So you can see that I only have do not email. So now if I edit consent for phone and I have opted out of phone now, come up here, hasn't changed yet. Let's refresh. Now I have the do not phone. So it's added do not phone automatically through the management of the consent module. That's the way it works.